Where are we going today, Jeremy?
We're going to Gorton Monastery.
To where?
Gorton Monastery.
And what for?
For a book fair thing.
In the pouring rain. How long ago is it since we went to one? Was it last year or the year before?
Not sure. Might be 2 years. Might be last year.
I think it was last year. I bought all those fairy tale books. They were complaining then, all the booksellers, that people weren't coming. I remember that. I hope it's busier. The magpies. What?
We went.
Of course we went. Here it is. We're in Gorton. And what do you think? That reminds me of that massive monastery. Jeremy? Oh. Well, when we go past the main doors, if you start screaming and panicking about being dragged inside, it always reminds me of the beginning of the Omen. Not the beginning, but that bit in the Omen, where they try and take him to a wedding, and he starts going crackers because he's the son of Satan. But the kind of grandness at the front of that always makes me think of it. And you can see this from the train. Have you noticed when you get the train into town from ours? Right, it's £1 each. It's nice and quiet. I love the colours in here, don't you? It's a kind of disco monastery, isn't it? There he is. Keep going. Oops, sorry. Oh, these are the filthy ones, aren't they? The Olympia Press.
Mm.
I think those are the Olympia Press books.
Yes, they are, yes.
Did you ever read On the Good Ship Venus, the book about them?
No, I haven't actually.
really
no,
good.
I need to.
It's very
read that,
funny.
Yeah.
It's all about kind of messing about in Paris.
Yeah.
And there was two editors, wasn't there, over the years? The early one, and I forget what it used to be called, but he published Ulysses,
Yes.
and then later on, the fellow who took over published Lolita.
Yes.
So amongst all the filth, they kind of had a good eye
There's some
as well.
quality
Quality
literature in
film.
there, yeah. Yeah. So Samuel Beckett as well.
That's right, yeah. What is it?
It's a book
You're not helping.
I know the
What did you get, Jeremy?
The book of Andy Warhol.
Oh, it was a bargain, wasn't it?
£4. Although, on a quick scale, it doesn't have his electric chair in, which I was hoping it
Oh, is that one you're particularly fond of?
would. Yeah.
I didn't get much. Have a look, there's 3 kids' books in there. That was in a bargain bin.
The Parishes.
The Parishes! I love the Parishes.
Adventures of the Wishing Chair.
Which I have multiple times, but that's a copy that I had when I was a kid. Oh, that's wonderful.
Mouse Trouble.
By?
Quentin Blake and John Yeoman.
Have a look at the pictures. That's my notebook. Anything with Quentin Blake drawings in, you have to have. These cost 30p each, so I did get bargains. I just didn't come away with armloads of stuff like I did last time, which is probably just as well. Jeremy, you're helping me out with a bookish video. What do you think? You look absolutely delighted.
Taking you out on a Sunday afternoon.
Is the queue still there? The queue for the cafe is outrageous. There's people still joining it. What are we going to do?